We do computational research, so one of the nice things about that, and one of the things that I try to use to attract people to the group, is this research can be done really from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. You don't have to be in a lab, right? So we access the Palmetto supercomputing cluster, and we can do that remotely. So you can really work from anywhere. We decided to, take as many as we could from these various programs, because since we can do, computational work can be done virtually, at least we can provide an experience.
It was hard at the beginning because most of the time students are kind of shy, and there's the language barrier between our communication in a more technical terms, because they are from high school. It's a little bit hard. Once they lose the fear to talk, they kind of get engaged.
I think that's one of the best thing about our group, our research. Like when people think about chemistry or chemical engineering, people usually think, okay, you're working in the lab, you're working in the industry. But actually for computation and catalysis, you can learn a lot of techniques, a lot of stuff, like writing code, analyze data.
We're providing opportunities for each other and supporting each other, where everyone's kind of talking about their research, so I call it research therapy. So you go talk about your research with your group mates.
We try to help out each other because sometimes there are many things that we don't know, but probably your partner knows. Or they can give you an idea that you have been stuck like for a month or something, and they say, hey, why don't you try that? And sometimes that works.
I was doing catalysis, but in experiment, and I was looking for universities and colleges that has this experiment or computing in catalysis, and Clemson is like in the top rank of the engineering, and for our department, chemical engineering, it's like it has a very long history. And for Rachel Getman, she's a very distinguished professor in catalysis.
I like to see people succeed. I like to see people reach their potential. I think that, I get to work with really great people, and I really love to watch them.
I think the trust built between me and her really helped me to succeed in my PhD study.
Yeah, I mean, that's just really awesome, right? To see your students who have worked so hard and who have their visions for what they want to do. I know how highly I think of them, and then it was another step to getting other people to recognize how amazing these people are. So when they're getting this recognition, at the university level or even beyond that, it's just really great to see.